Hey guys, what's going on? I am here to do yet another Marc Jacobs tote bag reveal. I purchased this one from Bloomingdale's, as you guys can see. And when I got it, when UPS showed up and I saw it was in a bag, I'm like, why is this handbag in a bag? Because I feel like it should be in a box because it's the leather one. And y'all, I had to go ahead and open it just to make sure everything was okay, considering it was mailed in a bag. I don't know what Bloomingdale was thinking about when they did that. But anyway, let me show you guys how they had it packaged up. Well, how it turned out. Anyway, oh, there's my receipt. So this is how I received it. They actually had it in a Bloomingdale's dust bag. So, which I've got one of these once before. Uh-oh. And then here is the bag. So I looked it over and everything was okay. So, and then by them sending it in the dust bag, I was like, oh Lord, did they not include my regular dust bag? But they did. It's in here. I already checked that too. Because I need my original dust bag. As much as this bag costs, I need my dust bag. So anyway, y'all, here's this. And once again, I got another mini. And I purchased this bag because I actually got a pretty good deal on it. I had like $150 dollars worth of gift cards and stuff like that or whatever. Because, you know, they had that special going where you spend, I think you get like a $25 gift card for every so many $100 that you spend or whatever. So anyway, I ended up getting this bag for $150 off. So I got this bag for $255, and I could not pass up that deal. And so I end up earning another $50 back or whatever. So I thought that was good. I couldn't pass that up. Now I don't know what I'm gonna do with the other $50. I thought about getting the mesh one, but I think I'm gonna have to sit on that for a while because I haven't really seen just a whole lot of reviews. So I don't know, we shall see. But y'all, this black one is so cute. I love the black. This is super duper cute. So I ain't gonna go into too much detail because it's just like the other ones or whatever. I just want to show you guys my bag that I got. It's such an awesome deal. And y'all, this one came with a black dust bag. Now my argan oil one, it came with a white dust bag. And then this one came with a black one. So I was like, okay, I'll take that. And then here are my straps. I think I want to get a different set of straps to go with this one. I think that's what I'm going to do. Not sure yet, but I think that's what I'm gonna do. But just want to show you guys, take all this stuff off of here. But y'all, here's the inside. It's like a grayish color. And then you have your little pocket, and here's your little card and stuff. And then you have another little, let me see. So if you wanted to, you could stick like a debit card or something right here if you wanted to. You don't necessarily have to, but if you wanted to. So there's that. And then once again, here is my insert. Take it out. Here's my insert. Got the black on black. So there's that. So here's that. Since it doesn't have, so well, it has this one pocket, but the insert to give you a little bit more pockets. Yeah, I don't have my scissors to cut this this thing off. Okay. So yeah, y'all, I just want to share that with you guys. My awesome deal. This black is so cute. I like the black. The black is so cute because it's like this part right here doesn't stand out as much as some of the other colors. And y'all, the leather ones, I love these leather ones. These leather ones are really, really nice. And like I said in my other video, I do want that cement color. That cement color is so cute. So, yep. I just want to show this to you guys. And I do have another video coming up, and I'm going to show you guys how I dress up my bags. My Marc Jacob bags. So, yeah, y'all, just want to show you guys. And this is the mini traveler tote in the black leather. So, like always, if you guys have any questions, just let me know. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.